Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change screen size in OBS. Let's get started. First, select your source in OBS. You'll see a red border around the preview. Then drag the corner to resize the screen. If you want to adjust only one side, hold the Shift key while dragging the edge. Right-click the source and then choose Transform. And here, you can reset transform, rotate the screen, flip horizontally or vertically, or fit to screen. To change the full recording size, click File, then go to Settings, then go to Video. And here, you can edit the base resolution and output resolution. To make vertical videos, swap the numbers. And after that, click Apply and OK. That's how you change screen size in OBS Studio. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.